Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this 5-minute ab workout. As always, we will be doing 40 seconds of an exercise with 10 seconds of a breather in between each set. Let's begin by hinging our shoulders halfway back, keeping our spine lengthened, lifting our toes into a boat hold. Option here to go into a Pilates 100s exercise or just hold your boat. We're going to be doing 30 more seconds. Keep going.
That's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't say.
And take a quick 10-second breather. Roll all the way down onto your back. Next, we're going to lift our legs perpendicular to the floor, crossing one heel in front of the other foot, externally rotating our legs, taking our opposite elbow towards our opposite knee. Kind of like a bicycle in that you're going from one opposite side to the next, but we're going to keep our head and our neck lifted this entire time, working through fourth position, first position, and then the other fourth position. Keep going, 20 more seconds.
But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleep.
And relax, take a quick 10-second breather, give your legs a hug, prop yourselves up on your elbows, and we're going to be lifting our legs to be a 45-degree angle from the floor. Lowering our right leg, tapping our right heel down to the floor, lift it back up. We do this for 20 seconds, and then we're going to switch to the left side. Keep your belly button moving towards your spine, your head and your neck in line with your entire vertebrae all the way down to your tailbone. Let's switch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's lower the left leg. Keep going. And relax. Next one, we're going to be going on the back of our glutes, stretching our legs, pointing our toes towards the corners, hinging our shoulders back as we roll into our glutes. Back is straight, and we're going to draw little circles. So as we exhale, we bring our shoulders up a little bit, and we draw little circles with our toes. We're going to reverse those circles. We also do circles with our arms at the 20-second mark. So keep going. We've done this one in the past, and I know it's really difficult, but you've got it. The shakes are normal. I was totally shaking here. Let's switch the circles, go the opposite way. Oh my goodness, this one was really difficult. Trust me, I'm still feeling it today.
I don't know what to do.
Take a quick 10-second breather. Next, we're going to be going onto our back once again for leg lowers. Option to take your hands underneath your glutes here if this is a bit too difficult for right now. And you can also take your head and your neck off the floor with your arms first or behind your head. Either one of those options are great, depends on where you are today. Make sure that your back is flat on the floor wherever you are today. Keep going, 25 more seconds to go.
She suffocates in love somewhere to forget. I get a little queasy in my God complex, but your blood is holy, so mine.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Swing your legs around, and the final exercise is going to be a plank mountain climber. So bring your elbows onto the floor, tuck your toes under, lift your hips into a low plank, bring your knee towards your nose as you exhale, curling your back, lifting your hips, and then switch to the second side. Keep going, 30 more seconds. Speed it up if this is pretty easy. Make sure that your knee does not touch the floor. Lift those hips a bit and exhale as you curve your back, squeezing your abs. Keep going, 20 more seconds. and relax. Go ahead and go into a Sphinx pose, maybe even press up into a cobra, stretch out your core. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Feel free to stay here and stretch with me. I just go into a couple of cat and cows to stretch out my core. But again, as always, it's such a pleasure. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.
I never said